Move small client items only when necessary to clean underneath and return them immediately to the exact spot. When moving pens, chargers, or similar small belongings, first visually scan the area and mentally note each item's orientation and placement before touching anything. Use a clean tray or cloth to collect items if several need moving so they are kept together and do not roll or get lost. Handle each object minimally with clean hands and place it back in the same position and orientation as found. If orientation matters, note it. For example, unplugged or plugged in, cap on or off, clipped or loose. Never relocate items to another room or a personal pocket, and avoid extended handling while you finish a task, because prolonged removal increases risk of loss and undermines client trust. If an item is valuable or fragile, stop and ask the client or a supervisor how they want it handled rather than guessing. For chargers that are plugged in, unplug at the plug if you must move the cord, then restore the plug exactly as it was and test briefly only if the client has agreed to such handling. Common mistakes include sweeping objects into a pile without recording their original positions, which can cause missing items and client complaints. Prevent this by using a container and replacing items one by one to their original spots. A second frequent issue is prolonged removal of items for convenience, which exposes them to loss or damage. Avoid that by moving only what is necessary and returning items immediately. Third is moving plugged electronics without disconnecting power safely, which risks damage. Solve this by unplugging at the outlet when required and restoring the plug and cable arrangement exactly as found, or ask the client if you should leave electronics alone. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we exchange tips about handling client belongings and professional cleaning practices. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them participate in conversations with homeowners and peers.